Saleify. Today we will be doing some more work and I will show you how to sign up, sign in and set your accounts for employees and other admin as well. Like if you want to set a person or administrative boy or someone, so you can make an account for him as well. So let's go. Okay, so here we are. Like you can see this sign up page. You will enter your name, so I will enter mine. I will copy this email from here and you can see. Okay, Info.saleify. Okay, so I will set a password, simple one. And I will enter my mobile number. Okay, so sign up. As you can see. Okay, now I will enter my details here. So should it remember the password or not? So yes, it should, and sign in. So here we go. We are inside our Saleify system. So after this I will set my shop details, like let's say Saleify phone number, NTN, STRN, and note. You can add any note over here or address. 3 small. Of course you can add. Okay, you can upload any logo file over here. I will add one from downloads. Maybe there is a picture, so I will add one. So here we go. I don't know what is it, but I added. So add, and you see here the name is Saleify, like the shop name will be appearing here. So we are good to go. You can check it again here. So everything is saved, so I can go back. Okay, after this I will go to user. Now I have to, like if you want to add a user, another user, so you will add the name, like let's say Imran, last name on, after that username, and whatever email you enter over here, the system will send the user his name, username and email and passwords. So he will get username and password through this, and he can come in and sign into this system anytime. So now you have to give him option. If employee, then you can select whatever would you like to give the privileges. So whatever privileges you like to give to your employees, you can select it from here, and you can add also if you want to make another role, so you can create it over here. So it's all up to you. So after adding, like it will appear over here, like yeah, here we go. So here is our employee record and here is admin record. One thing more, only super admin can add other employees. Like if employee come in, so he will not be able to add other employees. So that's the point. After this, I will show you how system goes. Here is our home page. In home page there is like total sale for today, total profit, monthly sale, monthly profit, customers, total users, like we had 2 users, so it's appear over here 2 users, how many suppliers you have, and more sales. Like you can add more things over here. So if you want to customize it, you can come suggest us and comment section and we will add it. So after that there is sale system, sale, and sale you can do new sales. I think I will make another video for sales, for customer, for supplier, but I will give a quick go through. So for products we have a section, you can add products, delete it, edit it, and active, and like by default it will be active products which will show up here. Also there is a file in the zip, you can add all the file to your exe file and you can import it like in just in one click, so it's easy to go. Also you can make deals, like you can select two products, add the names from the list you have in the products, and you can it will appear over here, and you can set discounts or the price, and it will add it to the deal list, so you can delete it anytime. After that there is customer section, you can add customer, here are the details, and you can add suppliers, you can generate reports daily, weekly, monthly, on different basis, whatever you want, and you can export it to your desktop. After this there is account section. In account section there is stock, expiry, loan, and we are working on account section, so there are a lot more to come. So that's all for today. I will add products in this system tomorrow in the next video, and I will show you how to do sales from it in the next video. So see you in next video. Bye bye.